Hello viewers and welcome to another episode of podcast by ICAR RC NEH region. I am your host Smarky and today we are diving into the citrus treasure from Northeast region, that is Khasi Mandarin, locally known as Sohñiamtra. Joining us today is a horticulture expert and researcher Dr. Rymbai sir with years of experience in citrus cultivation. Welcome sir.
Thank you, Smarky. It's great pleasure to be here in the podcast of the Institute.
So Dr. Rymbai, to kick things off, what exactly is this Khasi Mandarin and what makes it so special?
Khasi Mandarin is an ecotype of mandarin fruits. Vernacularly, it is known as Sohñiamtra, and the botanical name of this fruit is Citrus reticulata. The crop is very unique considering its aesthetic value, organoleptic, and nutritional characteristic. This makes it a premium fruit crop.
Okay, got it. It's really interesting. Let's talk about where and how this Khasi Mandarin grows at its best. What is the climatic and soil requirement for Khasi Mandarin?
Khasi Mandarin prefers a sandy loam soil with a pH of 5.5 to 6.5, and the soil should be of well drained. The ideal temperature for growing of Khasi Mandarin is around 10 to 35 degrees centigrade. It requires a warm summer and a mild winter. It does not tolerate frost.
So once the right site is selected, how do we propagate Khasi Mandarin?
Khasi Mandarin is generally propagated through seedlings or through seeds. However, the commercial propagation technique of Khasi Mandarin is recommended through T-budding or softwood grafting, a technique which is developed by Horticulture section of our institute.
So once the plantlets are raised, what is the next step in establishing an orchard?
Layout of orchard is the first step based on a desired planting system as per the location. A pit of above 75 cubic centimeters should be prepared, and a preparation of pit is that the topsoil that is 30 centimeters should be kept in a separate, whereas the subsoil should be placed in underside of the pit. And in this, about 20 kg FIM, 100 gram of urea, 300 gram of single superphosphate, 100 gram of muriate of potash, and 50 gram of chlorpyrifos should be mixed thoroughly along with the topsoil, and the pit should be filled about 15 centimeters above the ground level.
Then sir, what is the recommended spacing for this?
The recommended spacing for Khasi Mandarin is generally 5 into 5 meter. However, this may be vary with slope, may be vary with planting system.
And which is the ideal season for planting?
The ideal season for planting of Khasi Mandarin is during rainy season, that is July and August.
So moving forward, sir, what is the nutrient requirement for Khasi Mandarin?
The recommended doses of Khasi Mandarin is 480 gram of nitrogen, 290 gram of phosphorus, 540 gram of potassium, and along with 25 kg of FYM per year. This should be applied in 3 split, that is during March, July, and September, October. In addition to this, micronutrient can also be applied twice a year, that is during the first flushing period and the second flushing period of Khasi Mandarin.
And sir, where this fertilizer should be applied?
The nutrient should be applied in the drip circle around the tree basin.
We know weight can be a problem. Sir, how to maintain the weight and what are the different intercultural operations that are needed to be performed?
Weed is one of the important problems in any crop production system, and it has to be controlled regularly. Mulching is one of the important components to control weeds. In addition to controlling weed, it also conserves soil moisture and enrich the soil nutrient. Besides this, intercropping can also be carried out in the interspace of the crop during the initial year of growth. Intercropping, besides helping in control of weed, it also utilizes the space judiciously and also generate an additional income to the growers.
So that is the smart way to earn an extra income. Moving forward, sir, what are the major pests and diseases are in Khasi Mandarin that the farmer should concern about?
Citrus is a very sensitive crop. The major disease in Kasimandarin is citrus tristigia virus, citrus screening disease, powdery mildew, Phytophthora disease. And also there are also a serious incidence of or a serious infestation of insect pests like citrus strong borer, leaf miner, and this lemon butterfly and many other pests. So this has to be controlled and managed properly as per the schedule.
So finally, after all this hard work, sir, what is the right time to harvest this?
Harvesting of Kasimandarin fruit should be based on maturity indices, that is color break stage and TSS around 10 to 11 degree breaks.
And what is the expected yield in Khasi Mandarin?
A well-matured tree, it produces around 600 to 800 fruits per tree.
So dear audience, now it was the management practices about Khasi Mandarin. We come to an end, and in the next podcast, we will be doing about the disease and pest management of Khasi Mandarin. Till then, keep your orchard safe and healthy. Thank you.